boy nearly 12 boy bukahan mi on kuda hill nitiki on the having a nitiki boy gami ha sonsa and camping got delia ha where decide and John camping balloon John ha ami camping at tebwa and boy and a baby le ha boy ha moto hikula boy ha moto brother and you know and table but because boy son sa and gami son sa bois and son sa ho iten the toten and momon aten in so sa kambalu because gami boy son sa balu and so asaho amen ho Jesus and boy twatu na ready ho
Namon ready to
ready to Jesus already and 12 idea amen 66 a no 66 a chalai and they'll put 666